Today I am reviewing the KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are searching for an absolute champion in the budget compact desktop arena, the KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC is a remarkable little machine that punches far above its weight class. Designed for those who need a reliable, space-saving workstation without sacrificing processing power, this mini computer is an ideal fit for home offices, student setups, small businesses, and media entertainment centers. It manages to cram a full-fledged desktop experience into a chassis so small it can literally fit in the palm of your hand, providing a compelling blend of speed, versatility, and expansion potential that makes typical budget systems look slow by comparison. At the absolute center of this system is a true 4-core AMD Ryzen 4300U processor, built on an advanced 7-nanometer process and utilizing AMD's refined Gen 2 architecture. What sets this chip apart from standard budget alternatives is that it features 4 physical processing cores and 8 concurrent threads, delivering unthrottled, reliable performance for hours on end. When you stack this up against competitors like the Intel N95 processor, which relies on 4 lower-efficiency cores that tend to choke and throttle under heavy multitasking, or the dual-core Intel Core 3-10110U, the performance difference is immediately noticeable. In fact, this Ryzen processor delivers up to 40% faster multi-core performance than the 10th generation i3 and up to 25% more speed than the N95, allowing you to breeze through multiple browser tabs, stream high bitrate media, and manage light virtual environments completely lag-free. Graphics performance is another area where this mini PC absolutely shines. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics engine is unlocked with a robust 28-watt power delivery system, maximizing its visual horsepower. This configuration makes it up to 2.5 times stronger than the basic Intel UHD graphics found in standard budget systems. Because of this graphical muscle, the KAMRUI P2 handles triple 4K monitor setups at a fluid 60 Hz without skipping a single beat. While common budget chips frequently stutter or drop frames when pushed to run even a single 4K screen, this device transforms your desk into a high-productivity multi-monitor command center or turns your living room into a premium home theater, smoothly handling streaming, data analytics, and casual, entry-level gaming. Memory and storage configuration on this device are equally impressive and designed to completely eliminate slow boot times. Out of the box, it comes loaded with 16 gigabytes of high-bandwidth LPDDR4 memory, which ensures fast application switching and smooth multitasking. That memory is paired with a speedy 512 gigabyte solid-state drive for rapid file transfers and snappy system responsiveness. Furthermore, the internal engineering is incredibly forward-thinking, featuring dual storage slots. You get one M.2 2280 SATA or NVMe slot alongside a secondary M.2 2280 SATA slot. Together, these slots can be configured to support up to a massive 4 terabytes of total storage, ensuring you will have plenty of room for heavy project archives, comprehensive media libraries, and dense data collections for years to come. Connectivity is incredibly robust for a chassis of this size, highlighted by its triple display capabilities. The physical I/O array includes a modern HDMI 2.0 port, a full-size DisplayPort 1.4, and a highly versatile USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port that handles both high-speed data transmission and video output simultaneously. This makes it an ideal fit for complex multitasking where you need spreadsheets, web browsers, and video feeds open across separate displays all at once. For external peripherals and external storage drives, the system features 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports capable of blistering 10 gigabit per second transfer rates, which is more than 20 times faster than old-school USB 2.0. Rounding out the network backbone is a reliable gigabit Ethernet port, fast dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, providing a stable, high-speed foundation for any wireless or wired workspace. Physically, the device is an absolute marvel of compact engineering, measuring a mere 5.05 by 5.05 inches, with a height of just 1.73 inches. finished in a premium silver casing. It is small and light enough to throw directly into a laptop bag for business trips or daily commutes. If you prefer a completely invisible desktop setup, you can use the included VESA mount to attach the entire computer directly to the back of your monitor or onto an adjacent wall, entirely reclaiming your desk real estate. To keep everything running reliably under constant load, KAMRUI has updated the thermal design with a highly efficient cooling system. The integrated fan remains practically silent during everyday office tasks and maintains a very quiet, non-intrusive whisper even under full processing loads, allowing you to focus completely on your work without annoying background noise. Ultimately, choosing a device manufactured by Shenzhen CYX Industrial Company under the trusted KAMRUI brand gives you an extra layer of protection and security. The Pinova P2 comes backed by a comprehensive 12-month satisfaction guarantee alongside lifetime technical support, giving you access to a professional customer care team whenever you need help optimizing your system. When you look at the complete package, the true 4-core Ryzen performance, the exceptional triple 4K display support, the dual upgradable storage slots, and the whisper-quiet cooling, it is incredibly clear that this mini desktop computer delivers premium value. It is clean, exceptionally fast, highly versatile, and represents one of the smartest, most budget-conscious desktop solutions on the market today.